Welcome back, everyone. We're here to show you how to repair a tire. It's a very simple and easy thing to do. You can do it yourself. All you need is a pair of pliers and a kit, plug kit. As you can see, my tire right here is flat. You have to locate where the screw is or whatever's penetrating your tire. So the first thing you need to do is take your pliers and pull the screw out. There you can see penetrated through from your kit, and you're going to locate the hole, and you're going to push this all the way in like this, pull it in and out, and what that does is open up the hole to receive your plug and clean it. So you go in and out a few times, and then the next thing you do is you take one of these plugs out. Now this one was left in the sun a little bit, but it's real sticky. Pull one of those plugs out. Like that. You take your other tool, which has this little triangle in the middle, and you're going to stick this through that little hole and put it halfway through like that. Then you're going to take this, stick it in to your hole, and push real hard, and you can see it going into the hole. And then you pull it back out, straight out, don't twist. Just pull it straight out without twisting. And that will plug your hole. And you could go ahead. So you take a knife, cut any excess plug material off. Now you can fill it with air. You can just check your air, about 35 pounds. Now you could spray some soapy water on your plug just to make sure that it's not leaking. If it is, all you have to do is start over, push the whole thing through it, and put another plug in. But normally it'll hold after one plug. So anyway, that concludes this video. Hope it saved you some money. See you next time.